Guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Antigravity with GitHub. First, we are going to go to our GitHub account. We will go to the settings section and then to the developer settings at the bottom of the left menu. Here we need to select the personal access token options and then click on tokens classic. We will click generate a new token drop down and select generate new token. Next, we will fill out the token information. Then we scroll down to the scope section, and here we need to check the repo box. And we will also check the user box. Once you select, we just need to click on generate code. And here we have the option to copy the token. So next we are going to Antigravity. And in the agent option, we have the 3 dots additional option. So we are going to click on this option and go to the NCP servers store. In the search bar, we are going to search for GitHub. And this is the first option. We are going to click on it, and then we are going to click on install GitHub. The GitHub will ask for the GitHub token, so we are going to paste it, and then we are going to click on save. Once this is done, the connection to GitHub with Antigravity is successful.